Welcome to this video on ballistics, the study of bullets and firearms, presented by Dr. Anjani Kumar. A firearm is defined as a weapon, such as a gun, capable of firing a projectile using a confined explosive. Examples include rifles, pistols, revolvers, and shotguns. Firearms are generally categorized as long guns or handguns. Long guns include rifles that fire bullets and shotguns that fire small round pellets or slugs. Handguns include revolvers, which hold 6 cartridges, and semi-automatics, which load up to 10 cartridges in a magazine clip. Bullets come in various sizes, shapes, and materials, designed for different purposes and firearms. A cartridge is composed of a bullet, case, gunpowder, and primer. Caliber is a measure of the diameter of the cartridge, such as a .45 caliber, which is 45/100ths of an inch. Bullet materials include lead, copper, brass, bronze, steel, and aluminum. Jacketed bullets, which travel faster, have a full metal casing. Non-jacketed bullets are typically exposed, lead, or partially jacketed. Rifling consists of grooves cut or formed in a spiral down the barrel of a firearm. This process increases the accuracy and range of the bullet as it spins upon exiting the muzzle. Bullets and cartridge casings retain unique impressions from the firearm, known as markings. These include the rifling pattern, breech marks, firing pin impressions, extractor marks, and ejector marks. Firearms evidence collected at a crime scene can include the firearm itself, fired bullets, spent cartridge cases, spent shot shells, shot shell wadding, live ammunition, gunshot residue, and clothing. Firearms examiners conduct various tests. They test the firearm, check for gunshot residue to determine the distance to the target, and determine the caliber and manufacturer of ammunition components. Finally, they match bullets or cartridge casings to specific firearms. Bullet identification involves obtaining a standard from the firearm by test firing into a water tank. The crime scene bullet is then compared to the standard using a comparison macroscope. Unique marks made by imperfections or irregularities provide individual evidence. The National Integrated Ballistics Information Network, or NIBIN, is a database of images. It stores ballistics markings of firearms used in previous crimes and cartridge casings, aiding in linking different crime scenes. Bullet trajectory analysis helps to determine the path of a bullet. This involves measuring distances, such as the distance along the path of the bullet to the window, and the distance along the horizon to the window. Entrance bullet wounds are generally smaller than exit wounds because the skin stretches as the bullet enters. Exit wounds are larger as the bullet carries body tissue and bone with it. Other signs include fibers, gunshot residue, and stippling, or burnt skin. Pass-through wounds are typical of larger or high-speed bullets. Gunshot wounds are documented through images and evidence, such as entry and exit wounds on a victim, and the demonstration of the bullet's path, including through bone. Thank you for watching this video on ballistics. We hope this information was insightful